Good morning, everybody. I'm a little sick. I sound a little nasally. It's currently Wednesday, and it is currently, you can see that, 3:55 a.m. And I'm not playing. That's the actual time. My friend Tony, he graduated. He can drive, so he can take me. I'm skipping school to go salmon fishing. I'm a pulaski, so that's what I'm doing right now. I just woke up, and we're gonna be heading there. We'll probably be there by 6:30 when the sun comes up, so we'll be good. But yeah, that's basically what we're doing. This is so crazy. I'm skipping school to go fishing. You can hear me. B boy's got freaking problems with his nose. But yeah, just want to let you guys know what I'm doing. So yeah, so let's hit the road. Let's get all hyped up and hopefully we catch some salmon today. And hopefully it'll be worth it. So let's go.
There we go. Fish. There we go. Coming down. Yeah, I gotta get in front of them. I gotta get in front of this fish before. He's coming up. Yeah, you gotta like, yeah. He's coming down a little, he's getting a little bit tired. Oh yeah, he ain't leaving here. Yeah. Alright. That's probably your best bet. Or the left? Yeah, that'd probably make sense. Where is he? In the back? I don't know. I'm not putting too much pressure on him. Light up a little? Oh, he just moving. Shit. Yeah, I've been fighting him for like 5-10 minutes. Yeah, I think he's in the mouth. You can feel him head shaking. Corner, yeah. 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 Just keep that net in the water. That way you won't notice it, maybe. Yeah, you got too much spunk. Slowly. Got him. Oh, he's got a lamprey on him. Yeah. Hell yeah. God. Yeah, he's tired. He's done now. Hell yeah.
There we go.
He got a lamprey on him too.
Yeah, he does. Look at that thing.
Jeez, that's a big ass.
See it?
Yeah, look at that. Look at that thing. That's crazy. I was kidding. Yeah, yeah. Let me see it. From the inside out. Look at that.
Nice. He's trying to bite my ass.
Look at his big ass teeth, man.
You got that stringer?
Yeah, it's in my bag. Here, I'll try to carry it. That was like a freaking 15-minute fight. Fish, there you go. There you go. What? Yeah, I know. Now I get in that one. There you go. That was a jump. Oh. Was he in the back? Right in the back of the head. Hey, we had one. That's a second. We just had it on.
So it started off as a good day, as you guys can tell. My friend Tony hooked up. He hooked up twice before this one, but you couldn't really tell on camera because I'm using my GoPro Hero 5 here. So, because as you guys know, the last video, I fell in the water and broke my Hero 4. So that's basically what happened. That's why it's the audio kind of sucks and stuff. So that's why it basically sucks. But he hooked up twice before this, and then hooked up with this salmon. He had it on for a little longer, and I think he said it was like in the back of the head or something like that. But he had it on for a little bit and came off. So that's basically what happened there. And then I went to the other side of this spot, which I fished before in the last video too, and this guy across the way was hooked up, and the thing was like freaking jumping right in front of me. He would almost reach out and grab it. And then that was basically it for that spot. Then I hooked up with one myself, and I think it was snagged. It came off. It was jumping all over the place. Usually if they don't jump, that means they're in the mouth, because that one I hooked earlier in the morning, which was the first fish of the day, and that king measured out to be 42 inches. 4'2". Giants. Giant salmon. That's basically what happened in that spot.
Yeah, I know. I can't reach out and grab it. There we go. Fish. Coming down. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. He's off, yeah.
You see how your line was way back here?
Yeah.
Current was just pushing your slack way down below the
Did he break? I don't really have it. I think he just night popped. Alright, that was cool. It wasn't in the mouth, so I really don't care about it.
After I hooked up with that salmon, we went to this other spot, ballpark, and didn't have too much luck there. So this other guy hooked up next to me as we were leaving, and he had some random guy net it. And as the guy was netting it, he fell in the water, and he still got the fish too, which was dope. So that's basically what's gonna happen after this. But it was crazy.
How's going up?
Unless you don't want me to.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
I bet I could.
He's not getting in that net back there. Oh boy.
Got him.
You got him.
Yeah. Yeah.
No fish left unturned.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Good shit.
That was
He fell and still
I
got
know,
it.
he still got him. fire.
So then we moved to a different spot, the Trestle pool, and there was an absolute crap load of fish in there. I mean, there was, like, you could see all the fish in there, the silhouettes. They were, like, in really shallow water, too. They were, like, almost at the surface. You could see all the freaking shadows of these freaking giant fish. And, we were fishing there, and we were, a couple people next to us didn't have waders on, so they were, like, right on the bank. But me and my friend Tony, we had waders on. We had chest waders. So we weren't, like, out far, like, in the hole. I was up to maybe my knees and maybe close to my my thigh, but not high in the water at all. And these old guys got pissed at us. They're like, get out of the water, like, too far in, you're scaring away the fish. And then one guy said we're a bunch of little effing punks, like being disrespectful or whatever. So it didn't make any sense and why we were, like, getting told that. And some other guy that was one of the guys was, like, his line was over top of my friend Tony. He kept getting snagged on him, like, almost on his waders and all that. It was just ridiculous, and we literally didn't even do anything wrong. We were just, kids trying to have fun. I skipped school to go there. It was just, I don't know, I got tight. But that's basically what happened in this next clip.
I know. Literally, we've been here for, like, what, 40 minutes? And ever since we got here, he's been fighting that fish. Oh, my bad. I'm gonna laugh till that thing comes off.
Let's go. Take up on the water. Right there. You're too far in.
I don't know about that.
It's like a foot of water over here. What are you talking about? Yeah. We're just kids trying to have fun, alright? Suck my Yeah. Give me a kid. We're just trying to fish. Like, yeah.
Probably have better luck if you step back. Something like that.
Yeah.
You want to be a thick one, you probably be a thick one.
Yeah.
So then my friend Tony finally hooked up at the other side of the Trestle pool, went to the other side, and I was excited. We haven't hooked up anything. This is around maybe 4 o'clock, so I caught one in the morning at 7, and then the next time we actually hooked up with one was at like 4. So I got excited. I was like, okay, he's hooked up. I was like, alright, bet. Then he's like, it was small. I thought it came off. And then all of a sudden, I look up, and he tells me it's a smallmouth. He hooked a smallmouth. Like, a smallmouth, bro. Like, freaking smallmouth. So I was like, what is dope? But I think it was like snagged in belly. I didn't eat it, but like, he hooked a smallmouth. But I got excited. I ran over, grabbed the net, but it ended up being a freaking smallmouth. So I was like, whatever, yeah. But also, the reason why I'm doing these little monologues in between these clips, because I didn't really bring out the camera that much. There's also a lot of people around. I'm going to be weirded out freaking putting a camera around. But also, today was super, super slow for us. Everybody else was hooking up. I hooked one in the morning. I thought it was going to be a fire day. We were hooking up bang, bang early in the morning. A bunch of other people were, but then it just slowed down for us a lot. So here's that smallmouth, though.
Fish? Oh, little one? Damn. Just smallmouth? Oh, wait. Creek Smalley. There he goes. Bag him. You're like a little one. I thought it came off like a little salmon.
Yeah.
Nope, it's
I could tell it was, but it wasn't taking off. I was like, what the hell's going on?
So then we moved spots. We went down a little more, like right below Altmar, New York, and there was this cool guy there. He had a German Shepherd, and you know, he was just a sick guy. We were just talking to him for a little while and all that, and he hooks up, and I was like, oh, sick. So we haven't hooked up at all this time. I wasn't really pissed. I was like, good for him. It was awesome, but I just, you know, I wasn't bored, so to speak, but like, I was just like, I wanted to see a fish, so like, he hooked up with one, I netted it for him, so that's why you guys are gonna see me netting it. But I just got, you know, I was just sick to see, you know, another person catching a fish, especially with this cool dog. But yeah, there's this clip of the salmon he caught.
Hi. 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 Hi, dog. I can go net him if you want me to.
You want to?
Oh, okay. No, it's big. No, I'm good. I already got enough.
Just take him out of there. I just don't think you want him to go, so I don't want him.
Alright.
I don't want to do it.
He's got a hook in his mouth too. Someone broke him off.
Oh, sorry about that.
You're okay.
Where's my elbow?
It's in the belly.
Pull it up just a little bit. Lift him up. Oh, easy, 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 easy.
There you
Fight
go.
another day, buddy.
Yep. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, he's good. Yeah, he probably will. Yeah. Gave him a little bit longer.
So yeah, that's basically what happened this day. I skipped school to go fishing. It wasn't a complete, you know, fail, or not fail, but like a terrible day, because I caught a 42-incher, which is a huge king salmon. It's a huge salmon, like, anywhere. It's a big ass fish, but you know, it was exciting. Not gonna lie, it was really fun, but I'm kind of tight that my friend Tony didn't catch one. And also, I mean, I'm happy I caught one, but the fact that I caught one early in the morning, and like, I would have rather caught one like later in the day. Like, this is my first fish of the day, first one I hooked, I got it in, and I was like, okay, it's sick, let's get some more. But it didn't really happen that way. But basically, but also, too, I was gonna say, I'm sick, so I sound a little nasally, and you know, on the video, I'm not sounding like the greatest, and I'm not talking that much because I'm freaking like, you know what I mean? That's what I mean. I like freaking all stuffed up and all that, but yeah, hopefully my next salmon video will be good. I don't know when I'm going up next, maybe in like a week or two or so. So make sure you look out for those videos. But I'm happy I at least caught one in this video. Next time, hopefully Tony can actually catch one too, because that would be dope. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. And also, next video I should have a new GoPro. If not, then sorry. I'm not freaking making money here, but I'll try to have a new GoPro here in the next few days maybe. So yeah, thank you all for watching the video. Hope you all enjoyed. So catch you all on the next one. Peace out.